Hello and welcome to diyas Funplay. In today's video, let's see what are the three states of matter. All the objects that we see every day, like chocolates, furniture, buildings, etc., are made up of particles or matter. Particles are nothing but ions, atoms, or molecules. Matter can be basically classified into three different states, such as solid, liquid, and gas, on the basis of the particle arrangement. All these matters have different properties which can be explained by the arrangement of the particles. All these three forms of matter can be converted from one state to another state. For example, ice can be converted from solid into liquid by melting, and liquid can be converted into a gas by boiling. Water vapor can be condensed to form liquid, and liquid can be frozen to form a solid. Solids contain particles arranged in a lattice structure. Solid particles vibrate in a fixed position. Solids cannot be compressed because the particles are already packed tightly together. As particles are in fixed positions, solids keep their shape and have a constant volume when they change containers. Liquids contain particles that roll and flow around each other and settle on the bottom of the container. Liquids change shape when poured into different containers. Liquids have a constant volume as the particles are close together. Liquids are also slightly compressible as there are small spaces between particles. Gases contain particles that move around very quickly. Gas particles can travel in a straight line until they bounce off another particle or a surface. Gas particles are very widely spaced and are only slightly attracted to each other. A gas fills wherever space is available as there is only a slight attraction between the particles. Gases are also highly compressible as the particles are widely spaced.
Thanks for watching DS Funplay. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos. Why not subscribe right here, right now? Don't forget, press the bell icon. The choice is yours. DS Funplay.